Hey guys, so we're trying something new. We are going to yard sales all morning and you're coming along with us. We are in Cincinnati. His dad lives here, Jay's dad lives here, so this is all new to us. So we just found this on Yard Sale Treasure Map. Don't know what it's about. We're gonna go find out. Let's go see.
Find anything good?
I just started. No, not yet.
Not yet? Just looking through the clothes, huh?
I know where I go to first.
Yeah, she always starts out with the clothes.
Oh, North Face.
Ah, North Face. That's not bad.
Clothing, $1.
$1? Yeah. We can pick that up for the fall. That'll work for the fall.
Women's small.
Not bad.
Making sure I don't have holes. You know how like the fleece gets like...
Yeah.
You don't have a good condition.
Tell them you always gotta inspect.
Yeah. What did you say, Jay?
I don't know if they can hear me from the back.
Yeah, they definitely can. Dooney.
You got a Dooney and Burke, huh?
It's the cutest little Dooney. I wonder if my phone will fit in here. It's not just auto selling stuff. It's my phone. No.
No, your phone's too big.
Stupid Plus that I love so much. So I don't like it. That's a little thingy. Yeah, I get these two things.
Recording.
So it's little Dooney and Burke. I have a little, not as little, but a small Dooney and Burke that's very similar. So I might try to pair them together. You know, because this is kind of like a wallet that would go in a bag that you could grab and be like a wristlet. So I'm not exactly sure what I'll do with that. The North Face, I could probably get like 35 bucks for it.
Yeah, I was thinking around 40, yeah.
Yeah. It's not like a jacket, it's just like...
No, just a fleece, yeah.
Yeah. Who in the Northeast, we're very used to the North Face. We were driving to our next place and we drove by a big estate sale, so we're gonna check this out before heading to the next one. It was kind of hard to miss it. Oh, it's backwards. There's like a huge sign.
Can't see it now.
Yeah, we're gonna go see what's up. I just saw the price. Look at how cute these are.
Karen found some shoes.
Yeah. They're like, you know, gladiator sandals. Those are in really good condition. 'Tis the season.
All your electrolytes on.
It's not the season.
No, boots are not the season. All right. Bunch of clothes here. What do you got?
Go ahead. What's that, PacSun?
Yeah, I think so.
I hate walking around with like one hand. Shorts.
Shorts are time. It's time for shorts.
It is time for shorts. Interesting.
You taking any shorts? Did you find any shorts to take? No?
Abercrombie, but look at that thing.
A little out of season there.
I would wear it. Well, I think it's like yarn. I'm allergic to wool. I'd be like itching right now. Yeah, it's good. I always steal Jay's sweaters in the wintertime.
She does.
So maybe I should find it. I don't know, I like the fit of like a nice, comfortable man sweater. So I steal his.
What's that?
Nike.
Ah, Nike.
You know that's like the color of the year or some crud. I don't understand the concept of these colors. Like light and purple crap.
She found a pair of Levi's skinny jeans and a Coach purse. Little evening bag.
Yeah. Found all this driving by. Hey, babe, want a guitar?
You gotta keep your eyes out.
Oh, let's buy that. No, I'm kidding. Levi's skinny jeans. I don't know. I'm gonna save those till the fall.
Yeah, what do you think they're worth?
25 bucks.
Yeah.
These, maybe used like once or twice. They're in really good condition.
What are they?
Steve Madden Gladiator sandals.
Ah.
Like hip.
What are those, like 35 bucks?
30 maybe, 28. These are smaller sandals. Marella, made in Italy.
Ah.
Maybe like 25. This, 25 bucks.
Yeah, Nike, 25 bucks. Not bad.
Soft. I have to do research on this. This is a Coach bag, but it's like really like fancy bag. It has like it's like an evening bag.
Yep.
So it's really pretty.
That could be a winner.
Definitely worth its price.
Definitely. So we spent like $17, and it looks like we're gonna make at least $100 profit on that stuff. So not bad.
You did the math?
Yeah.
Because I wasn't looking at purses.
Hi, sweetie.
This, I think is Vera Wang. I don't know. Yep.
Okay. I'm at the first house.
Pretty coat.
Well, I'm out.
Carriage coach.
Do we need what?
Oh, this is cool. It has
Yep.
multiple compartments.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay.
And this is like a $5 set.
That was both.
Yeah.
But yeah,
It's almost beach season.
It is almost beach season. It is beach season, pretty much.
Yeah. I gotta go to the beach. They got bags in there. That's good. Happy about that. Keep going for sweaters. Like it's sweater season.
No sweater season right now.
It'll be here before you know it.
It will, that's true.
Cousin of mine used to collect them.
So you got it.
They had a closet in their house full of them. They gave both of my granddaughters one. I mean, they were
Yeah.
Oh, we found an entire little community doing like yard sales. So like every 4th or 5th house has like yard sales. Yay!
Go ahead.
Brand new, it's only 35. I'm looking up DJ Hero. DJ Hero 2 goes for more. I can't tell which one that is. Can you flip open the box?
That is the, I think, the original one.
One.
Yeah, DJ Hero 1.
No, you pass.
Oh, good? Okay.
Yeah.
That's why you gotta do comps real quick.
Yeah.
Just know what you're doing.
So we are on our way to the Loveland Indian Hill area. His dad recommended we look for garage sales in that area, but we're going to an estate sale. And those are hit or miss. Last time we went to an estate sale, we did very well. We also just got an eBay sale, but we changed our handling time. I hate having to do that, but my sister's shipping my Poshmark packages, but I couldn't train her on eBay because it's really a different beast. Never mind a Guitar Hero peripheral and game, like, oh, whatever. I'll take care of that when I get home. But yeah, we'll see how this beast goes. Hopefully it'll be good.
So we just stopped at an estate sale in Loveland, Ohio, and these are great to pick up if you can find them. It's a Toshiba, but any DVD VCR combo is good. It's a Toshiba DVD VCR combo with the remote. The remote gives you extra value. This is probably worth about $100, and we picked it up for 20, so not a bad deal. We also got a couple of handheld little poker games.
That was a quarter.
And a pocket poker and 5-in-1 casino game, and those were 25 cents each, so those are going to sell. We just made it. We're making our way back to my dad's house in Cincinnati, and we stopped at a couple more yard sales. I picked up this Adventure Force Battle Blaster. It's a water gun, and it's the summertime, so it's perfect for the summer. Did a quick comp on it. We got it for $5. It's selling for about 30, so it's not bad. Good little profit there. And then we picked up this Victoria's Secret leather
Genuine leather.
Genuine leather purse. Now we know Victoria's Secret bags do pretty good. We haven't sold the leather bag yet, so we're gonna do some comps on this and see what we can get out of it. But we got it for $8, so not bad. Not a bad deal for genuine leather bag.
I might even keep it.
We might keep it, or we can probably squeeze. I bet you we could squeeze $40 out of this. But
It
I'm
is
not sure.
leather.
It is leather, so we'll see what we can do.
Who knows what those angels do? Back at the dad's house. So sometimes we get a lot from garage sales.
We got a good haul today.
Not as much as we usually get, but it's good stuff. We just showed you this one, the Victoria's Secret leather one. I need to look that up like right away. We have Vince Camuto like driving moccasins. They're just like dusty. They're not like, the leather is actually really good. At first I was putting back, so I was like, ew, it's dirty, but it's just dust. It's like coming off of my hand. My two little
handheld video games, yeah.
Yep. My Coach bag.
That's a good find.
My Coach bag. My Victoria's Secret bag with a Victoria's Secret
And those
bag.
always sell real quick. Those are good finds too, so
Yeah.
keep an eye out for those. Another Coach bag,
Coach
yep.
bag. Ooh. Nike little zip up.
Little zip up thingy.
North Face.
North Face. It's a good fall time item.
Jay was like, where's the, you found one that said designer clothes. We have to go to that one. I'm like, we went to that one. He's like, I didn't see designer clothes. I'm like, yeah, we got a North Face. It was a little bit of playing us. Dooney and Burt. And then we got the, 2 pairs of sandals that we got.
Like around $30 each on those.
And some Levi's skinnies.
Levi's skinnies, those are always a good pickup.
I'm mixed up. I know. Clothing goes here. I'm like very, or like where I put things. I'm like meticulous. Now I'm all mixed up. Purses. Nice shoes. And then Jay, you found.
We found the Super Soaker, not a Super Soaker, it's a Adventure Force Battle Blaster, but it's like a Super Soaker.
Whatever.
There it is right there. And the Toshiba DVD VCR combo. Those are really a good pickup,
That
as I
kid
said
looks
before.
like he's having so much fun. He's excited about this thing, so hopefully other people get excited by that thing.
Those DVD VCR combos are a really good find. You can get about $100 for them, so those are good pickups. So all in all, pretty good day at the garage sales.
Yeah, it was interesting driving around Cincinnati.
Yeah, there's a lot of distance between these garage sales, not like Connecticut.
Well,
so
one of them we went into Kentucky. I didn't even realize we were going into Kentucky, but that's fine too. That's where we found the Coach,
yeah,
the carriage Coach bag. So I'll go to Kentucky for Coach. Sure. It was fun. It
was a good day. I love going to the garage sales. It's a treasure hunt. It's a lot of fun.
We know the towns. We know what the towns hold. So this was definitely like a big treasure hunt.
Yeah.
We had no clue what anything was or like what the towns hold.
If you guys aren't using it, definitely download Yard Sale Treasure Map. That is a key to success for garage sales.
Hey, I think it's like $1.99.
It's really cheap. Pay to upgrade, yeah.
Maybe it's like $2.99 to upgrade the app, because then you could set keywords. Like I have like designer bags, I have clothing, I have community yard sale, and all like the list that populates, like the map, it all color codes, so you could see like where you want to investigate and where you want to go, instead of like opening every single one. With like the unpaid version, you have to open every single one to like read what's at the place. So if you're going to be doing this all the time, it's definitely worth it to upgrade the app. And it makes your time like well spent that way. So we'll talk to you guys later. Really hope you like it. If you like it, give us a thumbs up.
Give us that thumbs up. Yeah, hit that like button.
Yeah,
we're gonna be doing a lot more vlogging in the future now that we have this camera that really works well. So just keep an eye out for that. I hope you guys like this format.
Toy.
I love my new toy. All right, you guys have a great day.
Bye guys.